Hey Soul Fam, what's up? Welcome back to the Journey YouTube channel. Welcome back. Alright, so this rising we're gonna talk a little about um a little weird topic. It's called soul selling. Yes, soul selling. So stay with me now. So most people would tie soul selling with this whole Illuminati thing, yada yada yada, saying people sell them soul for money and all of them something there, and saying that mostly rich people are millionaires and celebrities sell their souls. Now, most people don't even understand what soul selling is, because that's what the average person would think when I tell them about soul selling. You get what I say? Thinking that, oh yeah, you sell your soul and you get this whole heap of money and only rich people alone sell them soul. No. A lot of poor people sell them soul and don't realize say them even sell them soul because them not understand what soul selling really is. Not a lot of people sell them soul and are still broke. You get what I say? Them don't really understand what soul selling is. To sell your soul is to actually sell your soul purpose. To sell your soul is to actually sell out your soul purpose. Meaning that you came. Alright, first thing you have to understand is that every single being in existence has a soul purpose. If you understand, say you are not a physical vessel, you are a soul, you are a spirit at the essence, you are energy at the essence, right? At the core, you are essence. So the spirit will animate the body here, the soul will animate this vessel, your vessel, whatever vessel it be. It has a specific purpose for incarnating in physical form. It has a purpose for taking on physical form, you know. And when we come here, we go through the veil of forgetfulness when we are incarnating a physical flesh, because that's the challenge, you know. In order to carry out whatever duty you need to carry out as a spirit, you have to incarnate in a physical flesh. And one of the cons of incarnating into physical flesh is you're gonna forget your spiritual essence. And while you're treading through the physical part, physical life, you eventually remember your spiritual essence. So that's why we have spiritual awakenings now. You know, when you go through a spiritual awakening, you realize, say, yo, you're a spirit experiencing a temporary human life. You get what I say? That you realize when you go through a spiritual awakening. So we are spirit at the essence. Now your soul have a purpose. Now soul selling is just you selling out the soul purpose there. So if your soul purpose is to come on earth and be a prophet or a priest, and then you, because you know say priestly works nah pay no money, you run go do a security job just to get money, or run go up on the road go sell some food or something to make money. That is a part of you selling your soul purpose. That is all soul selling is. You get what I say? So most people out here where you see I do 9 to 5, them selling soul already and they not even really know. Them things say soul selling is this thing where you go have this whole heap of money. No. You're not half a rich. Most people who even selling soul are rich. I don't see no rich people who selling soul are rich. Well, nobody in the earth was selling soul are rich. Look into it, because you know think say musicians rich. Musicians are not rich. You get to be as musicians are not wealthy. Most of them are go through depression same way, and them not really got that much money. Them not have good money management either. And one of the main thing them, one of the characteristics of wealthy is you have to have good money management. You have to have good money management. Sorry about that. That's a characteristic of wealth. You know, you have to have good money management. So most of these rappers all end up spend on some little full chain and jewelry and expensive shoes, expensive cars. And then you know, assume to them rich. These people are not rich, they are broke just like you. They have bad money management just like you. And you know, that's why you see them do stupid things with their money, just like what you would have do too. If somebody maybe give the average person right now, because me attack for the average person, you know. A lot of us are above average, but the majority of us are just average people. And if you give it the way we're programmed, if you give it a certain amount of money, we're gonna do stupidness with it. And then it got done. And then we're back to square one again, and I say, oh shit, if me did smarter. You know, but you learn, and that's why we even that's why I like this whole money thing sometimes. Because I teach you a lot, you know, it make you get smart. On a whole heap of levels, not just financially and economically. It actually make you smart as a person dealing with money. If you try to learn, and if you not just try spend it, if you try to learn something about money, It's gonna make you very smart because that thing is a very useful tool in our earth, money. But most people see it and think say that thing where rich, it's that thing where make you rich. As them have money, they say, oh, I'm rich, I'm rich. No. Money is a tool, money can make you rich. Money is a tool where you can use to become rich. Yeah, but money is not wealth. Most people don't understand that. Anyway, so them sell out their sole purpose just to make some money. Say, oh well, I get a call in if you do some priestly work, but or some prophetic work, but I don't have no money there, so no money no dey on it, so I go just do a security job for hold me down. Forget about their sole purpose, and then them wonder why them depressed. You get what I say? That's why people selling soul always depressed. That's why these rappers take so much drugs and them something. Them depressed and selling soul. And it's not every type of soul selling you need a contract to sign over your life and some little something. No, and every one of them work that way. They can simply give up your soul purpose by choosing to do something outside of it. So that's a form of soul selling too. You just choosing say, oh, I'm not gonna do nothing else with myself, and even though I know say I have a purpose as a being, I just now carry it out. That's you. You forfeit your soul agreement, so, and then that's you selling your soul to you. Choose to do something else. Okay, so I say, well, I have free will, No, this is no taboo thing where say, oh, this has happened to you. Or no, not really happened to you. It's just that I got depressed throughout your waking life. And I don't know if you want to be depressed. Depression is crazy and it causes a lot of suicide. And most time depressed people make them commit suicide. So you must know if you want that or you just want to live your soul purpose. Most time your soul purpose is something that you are drawn to from you were a child. So maybe you like play football from your little. Maybe that's your sole purpose. Just play football even if it not pay you. I make you happy, do it. Simple. If 9 to 5 not make you happy, don't do it. It's simple as that. Human beings are free creatures. Just everybody free. You just judgment alone make a man feel like he's not free because he feel like I wanna go judge him if he do what he want to do. But that's your sole purpose. Your sole purpose is something most time where you have to just do and not really care about what nobody say. Because if you don't care about what people say, mostly you're not going to carry out your sole purpose. And then you're going to depressed because you care about what people think. Now, me not going to make nobody make me depressed. This is what me feel like we do. This is what make me happy and I'm going to do it. That is your sole purpose. Anything you feel like we do and it make you happy and it take you out of depression and you feel like you, the natural you, doing it, that is your sole purpose. Just carry that out and live every day and just do it every day and be happy every day. Simple. I'm happy every day. I like cook, so I cook every day. Even some days I don't even want to eat, but I just want to cook. That's how I stay, man. Some days I just want to cook. I like cook. It lift my mood, it make me feel like me. Some days I just, just want to talk to you, and it make me feel like me. I have a little thing to I do, but for the most part, I like to talk to people. Try to share what I know, try to share little knowledge and things. I like to learn from people too. So I like listen. That's why I learn so much things. I like listen to people. And I can decipher fact from fiction and them things there. Yeah. If you find you like cook, man, not because say you have a restaurant it or something. You go say, oh, I like cook, but I have to make money. You can make money from cooking. You can start a YouTube channel and just cook on the YouTube channel. Just cook every day. Make videos of you cooking. And over time, people like, subscribe, and people like the cooking videos too. You get what I say? I have a channel where I do cooking videos and stuff, off-grid cooking. It's called Roke TV. I'm gonna put the link in the description for all of you guys who are interested in that. So yeah, man, I like cook too, man. That's something I lift my mood. So in a life, you have multiple soul purposes too. You have multiple soul callings, things where you just love to do. And cooking is one of my passion. I like cook. I like cook for myself. Really. I really like cook for all people. Cause me don't see myself as this big top chef. But people say them like how I cook and thing. And I appreciate it. So them say them like it. But more cook for myself. I cook with love for myself. Cooking make me happy. You see me sing and thing when I cook and Yeah, so that's about a little about what me like to do. So you just think about what you like to do now. Sit down and just think, say, what my soul calling? What my soul purpose? Don't sell it out just for money. Don't stoop so low, man. You have other things, money not make you happy. And that me realize, you know what time I think, say, if you make some money right now, you probably go buy some food. And think say food will make you happy. But later you poop out the food. And then you want some more food again or some more alcohol. Or something. So it I not really happiness it a buy you. Money are not really something that will give you happiness, man. And what you love give you happiness. Doing what you love is what generate happiness. So if you can get up every day and just do what you love, do something what you love every single day. That keep you happy, you know. And not the money. you know. Most of the time money are gonna make you miserable because you gotta go work where you don't want to go. That's you doing something that you don't want to do every day. That'll make you depressed. You don't want to go to work, but you still go. And whole heap of free things that if you do at daytime when it cost no money at all, it no cost a cent. And people enjoy doing a lot of free things, but then just not find the time to do it because them have work for go. They need to make money. And work is depressing them. But then doing what them love would lift their spirit and help them to even manifest better things in their life. Being happy help you manifest too. Being happy brings you on a high vibration and help with manifestation. And people tend to do the opposite. You get what I say? So just do what you love every day, man. Do a little what you love every single day. And that is how you generate happiness. And living your truth and living your purpose. That is how you live in your purpose. That is how you do not sell your soul. Don't stoop and go do what you don't want to do. Just for money. You know, if you want to do it, do it. Just make sure say you want to do it and not because you say, oh, my friend them are going to think, or my family are going to think. Make sure say you want to do it. That's all I say. If you want to work, make sure say it's you genuinely want to work. Yes, I think about it good. And make sure say, oh yeah, me want to do this because I me want it and yeah. Not because of judgment from other people. Because lot of us go around living with life for other people and not realize. Don't be a slave to people's opinion, man. You know, we're better than that. We're human beings, after all, you know. Anyways, big up the Journey YouTube channel.